case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Nebraska Supreme Court heard the case of Nippert v. Shinn Farm Construction Company, focusing on whether an employee's injuries were considered work-related when they were injured while required to be at a specific place and time for their job, even if the same accident could have happened to anyone else present. Dennis W. Nippert, an employee of Shinn Farm Construction Company, was injured in 1979 when a tornado struck the site where he was building a hog shed near Wamego, Kansas. Nippert and his co-workers were unaware of the tornado warning issued by the Weather Service, and when the storm hit, the building's walls collapsed and Nippert was thrown to the ground, fracturing his leg and sustaining back problems. Initially, the Nebraska Workers Compensation Court dismissed Nippert's claim for compensation, but a higher court later reversed this decision. Nippert argued that being in the area for work required him to face the risks of the tornado, which led to his injuries. The court ultimately agreed with Nippert's argument, adopting the positional risk test as a better alternative to the increased risk doctrine. As a result, Shinn Farm Construction Company compensated Nippert for his medical expenses, temporary total disability, and permanent partial disability benefits based on a 20% permanent disability of his left leg. The court's decision established that Nippert's injuries were compensable as they resulted from his employment, necessitating his presence in the tornado-affected area. This case marked the adoption of the positional risk test in determining compensability in workers' compensation cases, rejecting the increased risk doctrine that had previously been in place.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.